Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm very excited to share with you live in action of me blending up some goodness inside my wonderful personal blender with powerful ice crushing action. So, with this smoothie blender, I have enjoyed it so far, and I want to share with you so maybe you can enjoy this too. With this right now, I have some banana, some strawberries, pineapple, some mango, some more strawberries, some more banana, ice, some kale, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in some chia seeds as well. I'm gonna add in some orange juice, and then I'm gonna add in some super greens as well. So this glass right here is a 39 ounce? I think it's 39 ounce. 39 ounces is how much you have of space of inside this cup. So I love that. My other smoothie blender that I had, it didn't have that big of a size. And so I feel like I'll drink this all on my own, but if you have kids, you are able to split that with them, having this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this up with some orange juice and get that to a good amount. It lets you know where that max fill line is. And yeah, it's right here. I passed it a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and just see how this works out. So, go ahead and twist this baby on. It gets nice, tight, and secure. And I like to shake it up just so the chia seed doesn't stick to the side. And go ahead, stick it on the blender. And let's see how this works. And I don't know about you, but that was amazing of how quickly it was able to mix all the way up. You've seen the colors change with it. That is very important. My other smoothie, I had to stop it and pause it and shake it around. And then, yeah, my other smoothie blender, I had to shake it around to get to mix up the product like that. But that was very good. I like how it rises all the way to the top to mix everything up. But just see that. And you can see the chia seeds, they don't blend up super well like that. But you can see everything else is blended very well. I love the lock-in mechanism. So, you can see that. And it does just have that one speed, so you don't have to worry about pressing a button or anything like that. It blends everything very well. And the lid, that comes off easy. Just twist that away. Hit on the top to make sure you're getting all the goodness. And yeah, look at that. Mixed very well. And I also have my to-go lid here, so you can just twist that baby on. Open that up if you have a straw. If you don't want to sip it, you can go put that in there. Yeah, but that is gonna slide all the way down. So, if you are putting a straw in there, you may want to make sure you get a long enough straw. But we'll take that on out. But yes, with that, click it, it's good to go. Also, one thing I forgot to mention in the first video, it does come with extra gasket replacements. So that plastic edging around there, if over time stuff starts leaking out or it gets dirty, you do have some replacements that come inside here. And every single lid that you have, it does come with a gasket on all of them, even your smoothie lid there. So that is lovely. Other one I previously had, my blender did not have the gaskets on all tops of them. It only had it on the leaf blender. And this is a 6-blade. My previous one was a 2-blade. It did a great job, but this does an awesome job. So if you are in the market for looking for a new blender, right here, this I would highly recommend. Cheers. Oh, and I did just want to mention, if you take the lid off, you do have enough space there to where your straw is able to hang over the edge and you can still enjoy your lovely smoothie.